This is an organic coconut milk Blackberry Parfait. I'm using an organic coconut milk here. That's going to avoid all the pitfalls of dairy, hormone additives, and proteins that people are sensitive to. So add 3/4 cup. Next, I'm adding in a grain-free granola. This is a banana nut butter. This one is based off of cashews, pumpkin seeds, organic sunflower seeds. It also has coconut in there. They use coconut sugar. That's where you're getting about 8 grams of sugar from this. And then I'm adding in some organic blackberries that I had just washed, and you can add those in to taste. But this makes a perfect recipe for anybody who's used to doing cereals or parfaits for breakfast. You're going to avoid grains and inflammatory ingredients. You're going to avoid pesticides by getting an organic product, and you're going to fill up and feel good with tons of nutrients. So give it a try.